In this video, we are going to be familiar with Excel terms and interface. At first, we're going to open a blank workbook, and after opening this blank workbook, we get this blank page. This is called worksheet, and this sheet looks like a blank notebook page. In earlier days, when Excel wasn't invented, small businesses could record their transactions using a blank notebook page by drawing some columns and rows like this. So after the Excel was invented, this has become sort of like the digital version of that blank notebook page. So the people, small business and big business even, can record their transactions here. So it is important to be familiar with the Excel different components here, because when we are stuck with any kind of problem and we are searching for the solution on Google, we have to use the different terms, names of these components to find the solution. So at first, let's begin with this top section here. This top section, whole gray section, is called ribbon. Excel ribbon, and ribbon has got the important part. This is called tabs. So these buttons here, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, these are called tabs, and each tab has got some tools divided into some tool groups. And this, for example, let's begin with this clipboard. This clipboard is a tool group consisting of three tools called cut, copy, paste. So the commonly used tools and popular, like most frequently used tools, are divided into their commonality and named here, called tool groups, like clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles. So the users can easily find the right tools for their use. Let's write a name here, and if we want to make it bold, we can either press here, and if you want to make it italic, press here. And so this, I'm using this tool, bold and italic, to make this text bold and italic. But there is another quicker way to find the right tool for use, like our favorite commonly used tool, like bold. If I add this tool to this quick access toolbar, it appears here. So it makes us easier to use the right tool for our use. We can just directly come to this upper section and press. Okay, so this is a user, the quicker way to use the right tool for our text. So, and this list here, it will show the other important tools for use. So that's all for this video, and we are going to get familiar with other components of Excel in the next video. Thank you.